welcome back. So I decided why not do another vlog on the update on how the room's looking like and everything, and run a couple errands. So it is the 30th of December, so it is the day before New Year's, and I am actually gonna go ahead and get my nails done because I don't know if you notice in my videos they're pretty bad, but I picked a very light neutral color where you can't really tell. So I'm gonna get my nails done, and I'm also actually gonna go back to Home Depot and return this box because it's actually way too small. I actually need another large box like the one I originally ordered. And I also got some gifts for my nail ladies. Honestly, they've been doing my nails since I moved here, and I've loved them. I've been so loyal to them for the year and 6 months that I've been here. So I went ahead and gave them a little Christmas gift and a goodbye gift, basically, since I'm not going to see them. God knows if I'm ever going to see them again, actually. But I'm just going to go ahead and have you guys come with me.
The stakes are high and the lights are low. When is my time to end this show? Where do I go? Where do I go from here? I lost my soul. Tell me now, isn't it? Where do I go? Where do I go from here? Where do I go from
So we got our large box. Now we are on our way to Piedmont to get my nails done.
See, I ain't trying to keep it concealed. Oh mama, I want it, just let it fall on. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh mama, I want it, oh. Why you acting like you gotta wait for it, honey? I know I've been in your head like shea butter, honey. You go out and tell your friends that we ain't none. They be in the group chat knowing that it ain't 100. Tell your ex-man, brush up on his openers, cause I'm in California trying to put you where the ocean is. Hit the text late like you just now opened it. Yeah, I believe that. Oh, and I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just classy, I ain't trying to keep.
Just got my nails done, and they're so pretty right now. You can't tell because it's really dark, but it is late. It is 5:30, and it's so dark outside, and I am starving. So I'm thinking of having like a quick lunch at Marzano, an Italian restaurant that I really love here, but only if they have parking in front. If not, I'm going home because it is raining.
Oh mama, I want it, oh. Hey, put it in a G-Cal, I just wanna see you with a spot round. Hey, you ain't gotta tag me, I can meet an arm in the background, babe. And I know when you working as a hostess, they be tryna let you out late. But how late? Cause I'll be at the next place calling a date. Okay. And I know you think you're still on the low, but I heard how you feel from everybody you know. Oh, you just pussy, I ain't tryna keep it concealed. Oh, mama, I want it, just let it fall. If you tell me that you want it, baby, it's a done deal. Oh, mama, I want it, oh. How you scared to make a plan when your friends are calling me your man? How you pull up in the pants and you saying you don't even want that?
So it's actually New Year's Eve and I'm running late. I'm actually going to my boyfriend's restaurant to have dinner and celebrate the New Year's there with him. But I was looking at my vlog, at the videos I was doing yesterday, and I totally forgot to like log out and show you guys the update on packing. So I decided why not do that right now that I have a little bit of time. So everything from the closets, it's pretty much in the luggages, and then everything that was in the drawers is all packed. They're all empty. There's just like a couple miscellaneous things like this we're gonna pack with the kitchen stuff soon. All these bottles of wine, I actually just pulled them out because we're gonna have a barbecue tomorrow, and I was like, might as well just use this so I don't have to worry about them breaking on the way. And then I have here 2 boxes of, I would say, all the like pills and random things you find in your nightstands. All of that is in there. And also here I just have like my laptop and just essentials that I still need. Dog treats are essentials, of course, for those guys. But the only thing I have left on the drawers is here my makeup, my brushes, some scrunchies, and extra makeup brushes that I'm gonna take in my purse or put in a box later. But so far, I think the room looks pretty good. All these boxes were actually inside there, and I'll show you guys how I did it. But pretty much the room looks good and almost already packed. The only thing that's out is our laundry baskets, because I still have to do laundry, and most likely all those clothes are going to be in one bin, and I'm going to use the other bin for other things to pack. But here are our luggages. Sorry, there's not that much good lighting here, but these are going to be 2 of our checked bags, our personal bags, and then both of our, let me see if this side works. Yeah, and both of our carry-ons. And then these are things that are going to go in the poly. The bookshelf that you guys saw over there is here wrapped up already, which is really cool. All I had to do was fold it. No screws, nothing like that was necessary. Up here is just clothes, an extra duffel bag that we're probably gonna have to check in, but all these boxes are definitely going in the pod. This box down here is our bathroom items, like lotions, extra toothpaste, hair stuff, brushes, hair tools are all in that box. Here's another box that's gonna go on the pod, and then here this plastic bin actually has all of our handy dandy, what is it called, like a handyman like hardware supplies, all there. And then my tape and scissors and Sharpie that I'm using for all the boxes is in there for easy access. And then here I actually use these 3 bins for our shoes. All of our shoes are in there. This is a pair of shoes that I'm actually taking to the airport, so that's the reason they're out. Those flip-flops, I actually had to put them back in there, but I went to get a pedicure, so I needed them. And then all that's really left here is just our towels and our cleaning supplies, which I'm going to use until the very last day. But that'll be easy to pack. And then these are all our packed items, 2 boxes. I still need to pack our plates and stuff. And then those bags are all gonna go in the pod with the rest of the clothes. And then here I have all our hangers. and then the 2 TV boxes that we're gonna need for both the TV in the living room and our room, and then the extra boxes to pack. But I think so far we're looking pretty good, pretty ready for this big move. So just wanted to show you guys how I packed everything so far, and I'll catch you guys later. I am running late. I'll probably vlog a little bit in the restaurant and add it to this vlog as well. So here's how the bedroom looks when all the boxes are in the closet. It just looks like a regular room, like no one is moving. It's like we're here to stay, but everything is actually semi-packed. So it's my way of staying organized when moving and not having a hot mess, because if my sanctuary place is not put together, then I cannot be put together. Very, very important. But yeah, that's it. I'm moving on.
Where do I go? Where do I go? Oh, oh, where do I go? Oh, oh, where do I go? Oh, oh, where do I go? I don't know why and I don't know how. I ran so far, I forgot myself. The stakes are high and